Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add extra member on HBO Max. Actually, all you have to do is to give him your password and email, because if he sign up to this account on different device, you will be able to watch simultaneously on the same account. Because as you can see in the standard package, you can stream on 2 devices at once. So if you want to add an extra member, all you have to do is to give him login details. If you want to have 4 devices at once, you will have to upgrade to premium. Just go right here to account and then subscription, and then click on change your plan, select premium, and make sure that you select yearly, because the premium yearly is discounted. Now you can also create a profile for him, so go right here, manage profiles, and create a new profile so that both of you are not using the same profile. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.